Ever wondered how you can boost your car's performance without breaking the bank? Well, here's a secret tool many car enthusiasts swear by: ECU tuning. Now you might be thinking, what is ECU tuning? Let's break it down. ECU stands for Engine Control Unit. This is the computer in your car that oversees how your engine works. ECU tuning, in essence, is like reprogramming that computer. Just as you might upgrade the software on your smartphone to make it run smoother and faster, ECU tuning allows you to improve your car's performance by tweaking its software. The best part? It's a cost-effective way to get more power, better fuel economy, or a smoother ride from your car. And no, you don't need to be a mechanic to understand this. It's a straightforward process that we'll be diving into in the next couple of minutes. So, are you curious to know how this is done? Stay tuned. Now let's dive into the process of ECU tuning. Think of ECU tuning as a three-course meal. The appetizer is the initial diagnostic stage, the main course is the actual reprogramming, and the dessert is the final testing phase. Each course is as important as the other, and skipping one could leave you with a less than satisfying result. Let's start with the appetizer, the initial diagnostic stage. This is where we take a good look at your car's overall health. Like a doctor's checkup, it's essential to understand the current state of your vehicle before making any changes. This stage involves conducting a thorough inspection of the engine, checking the fuel system, and assessing the car's overall performance. It's all about gathering data to help guide the tuning process. Now we move on to the main course, the actual reprogramming. This is where the magic happens. Using specialized software, the tuner adjusts the parameters within the ECU. These parameters control aspects of the vehicle's performance, such as fuel delivery, ignition timing, and air intake. The goal is to optimize these parameters to enhance the car's performance. This part of the process is complex and requires a deep understanding of engine dynamics. It's not a DIY project, but rather a job for a professional tuner. Finally, we reach dessert, the final testing phase. This stage is critical to ensuring that the changes made during reprogramming deliver the desired results. The car is put through a series of tests, both on a dyno and on the road, to check the engine's performance under a variety of conditions. It's the tuner's opportunity to fine-tune the changes and make any necessary adjustments. So, as you can see, ECU tuning is a precise process that requires expertise. It's like a symphony, with each stage playing a crucial part in creating a harmonious performance. And just like a symphony, when all the parts come together perfectly, the result is music to a car enthusiast's ears. Before we wrap up, here are some key points to remember about ECU tuning. Firstly, ECU tuning provides a host of benefits, such as improved fuel efficiency, increased horsepower, and enhanced torque. It's a powerful means to unlock your vehicle's full potential. However, it's not without its risks. If done incorrectly, it can lead to engine damage, voided warranties, and even legal issues. Therefore, seeking professional assistance is critical. There are experts in the field who possess the knowledge and tools to ensure a safe and effective ECU tune. Secondly, remember that ECU tuning is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every vehicle is unique, and the tuning process should be tailored to meet its specific needs, taking into account its make, model, engine type, and your driving style. And that, in a nutshell, is ECU tuning, a powerful tool to boost your car's performance when done right.